next one is AE in Geological Survey of India. AE means assistant executive engineer. See, the designation they are following is almost same in all the department. And this is for the mechanical engineering. And if it is for electrical, they will keep electrical in the bracket. And if it is civil, civil. Okay. So here, what is the Geological Survey of India? It is related to the Ministry of Mines, and in name itself it is there, like ground surveys, airborne and marine survey. They will do mineral prospecting. I mean, that means they try to search if any minerals are there in different places. And apart from that, they will also try to understand the natural hazards, study, and glaciology. I mean, like ice movement, seismotechnology, seismotectonic means, there are some plates, Earth is consist of different plates, right? The very, very huge plates, okay? Tectonics means one plate is, sometimes move against another, and it will produce, the earthquake, okay? So they study that. So here, what is this job? See, who are the officers in this? Of course, everywhere we have a group C, group D, and then who is a supervisor, group B, and you are above that, okay, to take the decision and all. So here in this case, we have a technical people recruited from the ESC, and the same UPSC conduct some other, geological survey exam. So from there they will recruit the geologist, geophysicist, chemist, okay, all these people needed. They do actual experiment and research there. Okay, what is our work then as a mechanical or a civil or a electrical engineer? What is your work? You need to provide enough equipment for them. For example, they are trying to find out the minerals in the ocean. Then what happens? They need to have enough equipment. They need to have a ship, and they need to drill that into the ocean, and then take the measurements, and do some research on it. So who need to facilitate all these things? You are the one who is a mechanical engineer here, okay? So you need to manage all these people who are doing, and you need to oversee that, okay? That is your work here as a mechanical engineer. And here salary is okay. Salary is sometimes you will get more. See, in all the services, when you are in the entry level, most of the time you will be going to the field work. Field work means actually you need to go into the field and experience everything, okay? So that means when you are in the entry level, then you need to go everywhere, wherever they are doing this experiment or prospecting, then you need to go. You need to go and have that experience. Actually, we have one student. So once he told, like he was on the ship for 1 month or 15 days, 20 days, and after that he will come back and go again. So imagine that, like it is quite challenging sometimes, and most of the time you need to travel so many places also in this service, okay, in the initial stages. And here the headquarters is like in Kolkata, and there are some regional offices also. They are everywhere. It is divided like that, all regions. India is divided into different regions. In case of railways, we are calling it as a zone. In case of IDES, we are calling it as a commands. Okay, like that, they divided, and based on that they will go and prospect this. Okay, and work nature is like that, we need to accommodate them. So we don't have that much challenging work here compared to other. Of course, compared to stores it is better, but compared to railways and all, it is not that much challenging. But compared to the other like IDES and store services, this is okay. Mechanical work is there, okay. And power and status here, it is very less. Why? Because very few people interested in that, and the number of people those are working under you are also very less, okay. Because you don't have very huge workplace to explore entire India. You go to one place in 1 month, 2 months, you explore. After that, you can go to some other place. Like that, they will explore. And the career growth also not that much high. See, where will be the career growth is more? In the ministry or the department where the number of employees are more, or the facilities or the strength is more, there the career growth is more. Whenever the strength is decreasing, automatically the career growth also decreases. Why? Because you don't have those many positions to occupy. And there is a competition between these people and the technical people, technical who related to the geology, chemistry, or something like that. Okay. And work burden, yeah, in initial stage, work burden will be there. You need to go to the field work, and then family life also, difficult in the initial stage. But after some time, you can stay in the headquarters when you become a good position. But not that much. I hope some fellow who is working in the Geological Survey of India one day, someone should write more details. Even I also don't have that much. I just gather this information from internet, and as well as some of the students who are who have enrolled for our course. I talked with them. That's how I am saying this. But it's better someone should write more details so that people will get some clear idea on this. So finally, we will conclude this for mechanical portion. See, whatever I have written is based on my experience. Okay. So you may like it, or if some fellows who are working in this particular service may get angry on me, but only for the sake of students who don't know this, I have written this. Okay. Even I may not be having a full-fledged knowledge on this, some of the courses, some of the services. Okay. So here, I am assuming that the salary and facilities are same for everything. Okay, but of course, as I mentioned, if the job is more tough and if it is in a remote place, then you will get more, incentives in terms of the allowances. Okay, that is anywhere there. And facilities, some of the facilities for the see, if you are not staying in the headquarters, then you can't utilize the facility. If you are staying at the headquarters at the good city, then only you will utilize the facility. Anyway, those two are dependent on the factors. So apart from that, I will take the work satisfaction and what is the work burden, growth, and how much influence or the power you have in that post, and the life balance. Everything we need to. I have considered these 5, and I have written these for the different 9 services. 10th service I didn't write. The ordnance factory. Why? Because this year they are not going to fill anything. So IRSME means Indian Railway Service of Mechanical Engineering. The work satisfaction is good, work burden is more, growth is more, power is more, but life balance is very, very less. As you grow more and more, you not even get a time. I have seen, personally my senior DME. He will come, every day by 8:30. He will go in the night 8:30. So you imagine his life. And not even a single minute he is free. IRSS, Indian Store Services, see, life balance is more, but work satisfaction is less here. Okay, this is a central electrical and mechanical engineering services. So like that I mentioned for everything. IDSC means Indian Defence Service of Engineering. INAS means Indian Naval's Armament Services. Okay, ANSO means Assistant Naval, Stores Officer. BRES means Border Road Engineering Services. DAQAS means Defense Aeronautical Quality, something is there, assurance service or something is there. GSIES means Geological Survey of Indian Engineering Services. Okay, so you can pause the video and whatever I have written, you can see that. Okay, this is based on my opinion, and I hope this will help you while filling the DIF. Okay, so I may not be having the full-fledged knowledge on everything, but here you need to remember a few points. What is that? Except some of the services, in all the services, entire India is divided into different zones. For example, even the CEME, if it is divided into different zones, then what happens? If there is some project coming in the Hyderabad, then they will allocate the zone nearer to that, so that those people will come. In the same way, railway also converted into different zones. Okay, even this also, what is that? IDSC also divided into different zones. Here we will call them as commands. Okay, even Geological Survey also divided into different zones. Okay. So the process is same. You are the person on behalf of government, and you need to make sure that the people below you are working and making the system smooth and running. Okay, I wish you all the best for your interview.